Yes, the fall is here and it's my favorite time of the year. So for the Northern Hemisphere, this translates into energies of organization, order, and communication. It's the time of the harvest. As we get deep into the season, also thinning of the veil. In the next videos, I will be exploring with you the themes of the fall and the crystals we can use to support or bring in those energies into balance. So let's start with the equinox, which is the astronomical event when day and night last the same time, and from there we get into shorter days. You can welcome the fall with your crystals in a ritual to soak in the energy of the equinox. This is very simple. Take the crystals you want to charge with the season's energy and place them outside on the ground so they connect with earth energy. You can start this at the time of the equinox, which is on Wednesday, September 22nd at 2:21 p.m. Central Time in the USA. The harvest moon is rising, bringing some of that energy with the harvest moon bath for your crystals too, and collect some moon water. Place your crystals outside again during the harvest moon and let them soak in that energy. Fall is also the season of the metal element in traditional Chinese medicine. Don't forget that metals are crystals too, and for that, let's talk about the 7 magical metals. And let's start with gold, the metal associated with the sun deities, success, financial power, and royalty, since monarchs were supposed to be descendants of the gods. Gold was used in magical rituals, amulets, to lift curses, and for love spells. Gold was the metal alchemists wanted to make out of anything. Silver, equally used in magical rituals and spells and associated with moon magic. It represents intuition, psychic sensitivities, truth, and trust. Legend has it that silver reflects negative energy, and you can also restrain a vampire with it. Copper. The awesome thing about copper is that the metaphysical property of being an energy conductor also matches the actual physical property, though silver is a better conductor of electricity. Anyways, for this purpose, copper is used in any healing ritual and in healing jewelry. Tin, shiny and malleable. This was used for making mirrors, coins, and bells, and sound bowls. Perfect metal for sound magic and healing. Is associated to the sacred chakra and sexuality. Iron, associated with the earth, but also all the celestial bodies and the planet Mars. Remember that weapons and tools were made of iron? Is associated with protection, war, and the warrior archetype. Is also a symbol of power and courage. Lead. Lead is the heavy element. It blocks light, sound, and is a poor conductor of energy. It's basically an insulator. This was the metal alchemists wanted to turn into gold. Lead is malleable and it has a low melting point. Metaphysically, it represents transformation. And Mercury, or also known as quicksilver, is heavy, right there with lead in atomic number. Mercury is the only metal that is liquid at standard temperature and pressure. Looks like it moves and is associated with the serpent, symbol of the life force. Remember Mercury, the messenger of the gods? This metal is used in magic that has to do with communication, progress, and mental clarity. Now, taking lead and mercury away because of the risk, the health risk, what kind of metal you like for your jewelry? Let me know in the comments below what you learned today and if you're planning to shift turns around. Now, until next time, be well, have fun, and do more magic.